which direction the Nifty is taking. You'd earlier on recommended a straddle, pointed at 5,500. Would you still say the same?
Yeah, the 5,500 straddle is something I would like to put out an update on. You see, the market really, as we feared, has not gone anywhere. But the long 5,500 straddle was sort of just in the event that it did try and pick up a trend today. Now, I'm not really overjoyed by the upside rally that we have got, because it has not even moved up to the minimum levels to change the swings, even in the intraday chart. So what I would suggest is, out of the straddle, exit the long call. We probably went long in the 5,500 calls in the 60s. It's trading somewhere on 75 to 80, somewhere in between those levels. So I think I would look to exit the long call. Hold on to the short put. Now the idea here is that since the market is mixed and stocks are active, if I have to play the long side of the market, I would rather play it with stocks. So I'll have a long position in stocks and maybe try and protect that with a short or a long position of a put contract in the index. So I'm sort of happy to be long put, exit the long 5,500 call, hold on to the long put. Whether we have to hedge this later, we'll see maybe tomorrow, based on how it trades out.
At this point in time, once you get an update on the strategy 500 call at current levels, you're basically long vanilla put there. So you're going bearish in the markets, and you add stock specific strategies. Then Dr. Narayan, quickly on your end, which are the stocks that you're recommending?
Well, as a newer strategy, I would say OFSS is something I like on the charts. It's been trading pretty well, going contra to the other IT stocks. So I would actually look to go long on OFSS at the current levels of about 2285. The stop is not far away, somewhere around 25 to 30 points from here, which for a 2200 level stock is something very reasonable, I would think. And I would be looking for a target of at least about 100 odd plus points from here. So about 2360 to 2380 is the target that I would look at. The second strategies would be more in line with updates. We had earlier recommended long positions in Punj Lloyd. The futures still remain in band, but then the prices have really moved up pretty aggressively. 7150, 60 is where it is trading. I think 64, 65 where we got in. I would recommend trying to take some money out of Punj Lloyd here. It's a long range bar. Usually that's where things come to an end. On Tata Steel, we had a short position with a 600 short call and a 540 put long. Prices have gone down. I would suggest moving out of the 600 call, that is, take your profit out of it. We sold it around 7-8, it's trading somewhere around 3-ish. Then replace that 600 short call with fresh short of 580 call, which is again between 7 to 8 rupees. So we are just replacing one call with another, but we are rolling down in the direction of the trend which is on right now.
Alright, so there you have it. So an update there on Tata Steel. Punjab also get out of that strategy that Dr. Narayan had suggested. Tata Steel, book your profits and probably move a strike lower to 580, where you can go short the strike again. Coming to you, as well as Dr. Narayan, thanks very much for joining in this segment of the FNO show and giving us your strategies. On the other side, we will get you Amit Gupta as well.